Hi everyone, today we are going to do Roque del Conde, as you can see, and this way you start in Vento. We are in Arona, and this is a small neighborhood or a small place here in Arona called Vento. Here we have Juanjo.
Hola.
Juanjo, ¿cómo estás? How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
David.
Hi, good morning everybody.
Damian, how are you? Fine. David, something to say? Would you like to?
Well, today we are going with a new member, Juanjo. Let's see how it's going to be. It's going to be a difficult trip, but a walk, but I'm sure we're going to get it. That's for sure. It's going to be time, but we have plenty of time today, so we're going to get it for sure.
Yeah, we have, as you can see, quite clear day, no clouds in the sky. So let's go, guys. Let's see what can we do. That side we can see at the very bottom Montaña Roja, Tenerife South Airport, and now here suddenly we see Playa de las Américas. Montaña de Guaza, Cristianos. David.
I want to die. Leave me here, guys. Try the trip. I'll stay here.
Yeah, this part is the last one. It's the more, it's almost climbing. It's not climbing, but it's very steep. So yeah, and bring water. Of course, always take care. Don't come alone. If you are coming, come with somebody else. And let's see if we can do it. I think yes, but we will see soon. Anyway. Yes, we did it. We did it. Okay, so well, now finally we get here. This is the peak of Roque del Conde, 1001 meter high. Over there we can see this mountain we have in front. It looks like a needle. It's called a Roque Imoque, the one over there. On the top, the Teide with the snow, and in this side here it must be the village of Adeje. Let's see if we can get to see it. Adeje just in front of us. Mount Teide with a little snow, and La Gomera, and on the right side La Isla de la Palma. So this is where it looks like Roque del Conde on the top. Around 2.5 kilometers from the place we started. 1.5 hours around. Well, here we are with the guys. We are starting already some 20 minutes ago. They're taking down the hill. So Playa de las Américas over there, Los Cristianos, and guys, what you have to say, David?
Yeah.
So now we are just taking way back. So now all the way down. We have to pass the barrancos on the way back. That before when we were coming up the mountain we also passed it in the other way. So now we have to do it in the way back as well, because today is not a loop route. We are doing the same way up the hill and down the hill in the same path. We are almost done. We did already the way up and the way down, some 5 kilometers, something, nearly 6. Tell us, David.
It's been really hard, but I think it's around my 6th walk that I do. And if I could do it, I think everybody can do it. Just don't stress, take it easy, and it's a really nice trip. I really recommend to do it to everybody. So enjoy it if you do it, and see you next time.
Juanjo, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo ha estado el día, niño?
Pues bien, espectacular. La verdad que sí, una caminata muy buena. No es fácil, pero tampoco es difícil. Cada uno marca su ritmo, la verdad que se lleva bien. Y nada, y les animo a que vengan y que se hagan la ruta. La verdad que se todo bastante bien. Pues nada, nos vemos.
I couldn't say that is for everyone. It's not difficult, but there are a few ramps quite high. I don't know exactly how to explain in English, but I think it's something like this, quite a step up. So yeah, I could say this is not for everybody. At the end, it's not that difficult because we did it, so probably everyone can do. But don't come alone. If you're coming, come with someone else. Bring a lot of water, and yeah, know your limits, so you will know each other about yourself better than any other one. So yeah, always take care, take it easy, guys, and see you soon in another video. Okay, guys, see you. Bye.
Bye.
Buenos días, no. Today, tell me something about the experience.
Experience. What experience? What have you done?
The one we had all together before on the top. Cuenta, Juanjo, esto otra vez.
No.
Cuéntanos esa aventura ahí.
No.